Yeah, my car won't start.
You have a car that's down, battery's out. Maybe you just need some extra power a little bit for something, maybe like charging a device or anything. Well, we were given this, and this is a jump start. What's cool about this is comes in this nice little carrying case that you can just throw in the car after you charge it or do whatever. It's a nice little unit here. You can see, very compact and everything. Has a button on the front to be able to turn it on. It has a flashlight on this side. You can actually use it for charging a couple of different items and also to jump the car. So what we're going to do is jump the car. On this side, as you can see, it comes with your charging cord, and then it comes with the jumper cables. So it's pretty simple to do. There's one way in and only, and you take it, and you get it in there. You can see there's a light on telling you that it's ready to go. Make sure that when you do this that you put the black to the black and red to the red. Once you hook it up, you can hear it's ready to go. Go ahead, give her a whirl. So if you are in need of a nice set of jumper cables, maybe something just to charge while you're out and about, get you one of these.